In this video, we are going to show you how to set up a MySQL database with Emergent AI. Now, for Emergent to do this, we got to have a prompt specifically for this. So for me, this is going to be build a professional retail inventory and order management system. Now, it depends on what kind. So just, make something up. System using a live MySQL database. I want a complete hands-off execution. So infrastructure, automatically provision and configure a dedicated MySQL instance on the Emergent cloud. Database schema, design a rational schema including tables for products, etc., etc. Back-end logic, generate a fast API, front-end UI, build a sleek modern React dashboard. Sourcing and security, independently generate all secure databases. Data seeding, populate the database with 15 rows of realistic electronics inventory data. Deployment, deploy the entire stack and provide me with the final URL once the front-end, back-end, and MySQL database are fully synced and live. So there you go. Press send. And now it's going to start doing its magic. Now it's going to give us the prototypical Emergent introduction or welcome, and then afterwards it's going to ask us specific things, and we are going to do it's pretty much a multiple choice questionnaire, a short one. And for the efficiency of this video, I'm just going to choose all A. And as you can see here, this is pretty much its questions, right? So I'm just going to say my answer is all A. There we go. Or A to all, right? There we go. Now the design agent is going to start doing its magic. So let me proceed with build your system with pretty much everything that we have here, that we have told it to, what pretty much we chose, right, through the multiple choice questions. There we go. Now it is going to install the MySQL dependency and start implementation. There we go. It's going to start a MySQL container, implement the complete backend and front end in one batch. Okay, it says here, MySQL is now running. Let me create all the backend and front end files. So after this, it's going to start testing everything, and that is going to take a bit of time. So we need to be patient for that. All right, so once it's done, 3, 2, 1. All right, so once it's done, 3, 2, 1. All right, so once it's done testing everything, you'll be able to launch it. And as you can see, we have a deploy button over here, and after that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.